Does it cost money to do affiliate marketing? So to start to become affiliate marketer or to promote other people's product, because that's what affiliate marketing is, promoting other people's product, it doesn't cost you any money. So all you have to do, there is a company, join their affiliate program, and it is completely free because it is the best interest of companies to make it easy on you. So they don't charge you to promote their product, because when you make money when they make money, so you are promoting their products, and you are helping them make money, so it is completely free. So after you become affiliate marketer, you may or may not spend money on two things. The first of all is, if you decide to take affiliate marketing course which costs money, that means you have to spend money. By the way, if you are looking for a good course that doesn't cost much, I have a link for you in the description below, the first link, just check it out. So if you decide to take affiliate marketing course, you have to spend money, you have to buy the course. But you may decide to learn affiliate marketing on your own, on YouTube, and reading articles on the internet, which is completely free. So you may and may not spend money on affiliate courses. After that, your method of promotion. How are you planning to promote your products? For example, if you are going to promote your products on writing articles on the internet, that means you have to have a website to write articles, and websites cost money. It costs you about $150 or $200 a year. So in that case, if you decide to write articles, blog posts on the internet, so that means you have to spend money for your website. If you decide to promote on YouTube, making videos, or TikTok, making videos, that's completely free, because YouTube and TikTok is free. So your method of promotion decides if you are going to spend money or not. If you are going to promote products on social media, Facebook groups, that means it is free, you don't have to spend money. If you are going to promote it on forums, people ask questions and you answer their questions with a link, which is your affiliate link, so that means it is free. So your method of promotion decides whether you spend money on promoting products or not. But even if you have to spend money with your affiliate marketing business, just think about it this way. See, any business, any company, they spend money to make money. They pay their marketing team, they pay salaries, and even they pay you as an affiliate marketer. So they pay for rent, they pay for insurance, furniture, and a lot of things. So you as an affiliate marketer, you are building 6 or 7 figure business for a minimum cost. Let's say you have a website, that means you pay about $200 a year. That is nothing to build a business that is 6 or 7 figure business. So affiliate marketing is totally worth it, and the cost that occurs with affiliate marketing is a minimum. As I said, you can't do it completely free. If you want to know more about affiliate marketing, how the whole thing works, see this video, and good luck until next time.